Meanwhile, hospitals across the state are struggling. A new report from the Alabama Hospital Association shows hospitals lost $1.5 billion since the beginning of the pandemic. WAAY 31's Matt Paskowitz joins us live in Huntsville. And Matt, hospital leaders say they're worried about what the future could hold for all of the state's hospitals.
Hey, Dan, that's right. The Alabama Hospital Association says more than 50% of hospitals across the state right now are working on a negative margin, meaning they're not making as much as they're spending. But unfortunately, State Hospital Association says 2023 is not going to be a better year. 2022 is the worst year financially for hospitals since the beginning of the pandemic in 2020, according to the state. Patient numbers have decreased, but the average length of stays has gone up, leading hospitals to increase salaries to staff to keep them working. The president of the Alabama Hospital Association says the state's hospital system is in dire straits.
I think of this sort of like a whirlpool circling a drain. As you get nearer the bottom, it spins more tightly. I think that's what we're seeing. I mean, this is a positive feedback loop.
The state's report also points to Alabama having the lowest Medicare reimbursement in the nation as another major challenge hospitals are facing. Dr. Williamson did say today he's hopeful state legislators will be able to allocate some of the more than $1 billion in COVID-19 emergency funding to the hospitals to keep them open, but he said that's likely not going to be a long-term solution. Reporting live in Huntsville, I'm Matt Paskowitz, WAAY 31 News.